Welcome to the second episode of the big project. So today we received the tank. This is a 5,000 liters tank, a clear tank for water storage. We are to put it inside this container room, which we did interior design and ceiling installment in our first episode. The door was too small for the tank to go through. We therefore had to cut a section of the wall in order for the tank to pass through, after which we will get it back. Yeah, you can see the tank sitting nicely inside the container room. The next step is to do demarcation and partitioning, which we will do to separate the tank area, the vending area, and the water container storage area. Thank you for watching.